In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to shop on GoDaddy. To get started, open your GoDaddy account and make sure you're signed in properly before you begin browsing. Logging in first makes the shopping process smoother, especially if you decide to add something to your cart or continue with a purchase later on. Once you're inside your account, take a moment to look around the main dashboard so you can get comfortable with the layout. Next, look for the icon that gives you access to shopping on GoDaddy and click it. Then, select the option that takes you to shop.godaddy.com. This will bring you to the shopping area, where you can explore the products and services available. Depending on what you need, you may see categories related to domains, websites, hosting, security, email, or other online business tools. The important thing here is to take your time and navigate at a comfortable pace. Once you're on the shopping page, feel free to browse through the available options. This is the stage where you can compare what's being offered and decide what best fits your needs. As you explore, pay attention to product names, basic features, and any pricing details shown on the page. If something catches your attention, click into it so you can learn more before making a decision. It's always a good idea to read descriptions carefully, especially if you're choosing between similar services. As you continue shopping, focus on finding something you prefer rather than rushing into a purchase. Think about what you actually need for your website, business, or project. For example, some people may be looking for a domain name, while others may need hosting or website building tools. Browsing first helps you make a more informed choice and avoids picking something that doesn't match your goals. If you do find something you prefer, you can move forward from there based on the product page options available to you. At this point, the key is simply recognizing the item or service you want after reviewing the choices in the GoDaddy shop. Taking a careful, step-by-step approach makes the experience much easier and helps you shop with more confidence. That's how to shop on GoDaddy, by opening your account, going to the shopping section, and browsing until you find something you prefer. Follow these steps slowly, and you'll be able to navigate the GoDaddy store much more easily.